Hi guys, today we are unboxing these squishies, these sticky
It's called the Crayola Gobbles. Globbles. Stick 'em, squish 'em, stretch 'em.
And then there's 16 of them. So we're gonna start unboxing these. Oh, I love that sound. Oh, these are sticky. Oh, these feel so nice. Wait, let's take them all out and let's see what color we should do.
I want help.
Yeah, you can. Let's take them all out. We'll choose the color we have.
Okay.
Ah.
Let's start with those four.
Okay, so let's start with these ones. That's a weird sound. It sounds really nice. Oh yeah, you can try. Oh,
They are sticky.
That's funny. Okay, which color should we do next? Oh, let's do this one. Let's do this one. So we're gonna take these all out. Oh, this is really simple. Oh, I have these ones.
Thank you. Maybe they can hear since the microphone's over here. Oh, that one sounded like a toot.
They like poppy.
They are. What do you do if you put all four in your hands?
Wait, what happens? It feels super weird. It feels really nice, but it works out your hand.
I don't like these ones.
I really like them.
I wonder what this is. Just the foam fill?
These two are the same colors, but we're gonna do both of them at the same time.
Oh, are they the same? They are. Oh, these ones are the same too. It's like two of Oh, sort of. What? This one is a blue.
That's
okay.
That's fun.
Oh.
Yeah, that's gonna be a blue. Hey, you're getting all of them.
Sorry.
And then you can have that one. Turn that one. I got 4.
Cool. Here.
Wait, what happens
I'll
if
pull
we...
this one out for you.
Wait, I'm gonna try squishing all of these.
Oh.
I don't know how I'm gonna do this. But that feels so nice. Wait, that feels so nice.
It's okay, Mare.
I love that sound.
What's in it?
Wait, what? That's powder. That's like there's like some sort of powder inside them.
Powder, not a clay?
No, it's definitely not clay. That's definitely powder. I love that sound.
Ooh.